Hello everyone, this is Brigu Kashyap. Right now I am in my brother's place and he is none other than he is Sarat Mesh. And you want to see what I am having right now? I am having the ethnic juices. Yes, I can say about it. This is Rohi. We can call this thing as Rohi. This is very sweet and squeezable as smooth as like honey. And according to Sarat, my brothers, I am having dal with otenga and this is very delicious. This is gul nimbu. Gul nimbu hai nahi? Yes, we can call it like gul nimbu. And along with all the particular things we are having right now, the duck. It means har mango. And along with the beautiful foodie item in my dinner, in my lunch today, we're going to have a very beautiful terrific number which I'm going to sing in this show. And this is for you all. Enjoy the track.
Wow.